Ooh, tasty. Hey!
Hey.
Welcome to the first edition of Nickelodeon Family Values. I'm your host, Tony.
And I'm Aeneas.
Welcome. So, basically, we're going to steal ideas from the internet that we've seen.
Yeah.
But we're not going to tell you who it was from. But this one here, we were a little hungry after a big swim meet. So we have a couple classic turkey Thanksgiving items here. We're going to try them out, give you our opinions. We got 5 here. We got Stauffer's, classic roast turkey. We got the Lean Cuisine glazed turkey tenderloins. We got Banquet turkey meal. Marie Callender's roasted turkey breast and stuffing. And lastly, the Hungry Man. He's a hungry man.
Oh, yeah.
Roasted carved white meat turkey.
With the cranberry sauce.
With the fixins. So we don't know which is which. So we're just going to give them all a try. But we have 5 categories. We got nasty. We got yuck. We got meh. Meh. We got okay. And what's this one?
Yummy!
Yummy. So these were cooked up by the mom of the family, Colby. You'll hear her off camera. She's going to help us out if we ever need any help. And also you might hear our daughter, Apsley, come in every once in a while, just, off the cuff, say whatever she wants to say. We'll edit it out, probably. So, which one do you want to start with here, Aeneas?
I want to start with that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is number 1. Let's see if we can get a look here. Alright, so we got some turkey. What else? Looks like we got a little stuffing under here. Mashed potatoes, gravy on it.
These are vegetables.
It's mixed veggies. And what looks to be cranberry sauce.
Like chunky stuff.
Alright, well, do you want to try the turkey first?
Yeah, I'll start the turkey first.
Okay, let's cut this. I'm gonna pick up a piece there. See, normally when I eat turkey, and you know this is a family secret, I like to mix it all together and give it a try. Actually, it's pretty good. Yeah, turkey. There's a lot of seasoning. It does taste like what you would eat from school, from your school lunch.
When I get home.
And try this. The mashed potatoes. Oh, it's stuffing.
Yeah, stuffing.
It's not bad. Well, make sure you don't want to get too far off there, Buster.
Okay.
The mashed potatoes aren't great.
I need more.
Well, hey, remember, this is a family meal. You gotta share this for later. So let's dive in here.
Veg.
So we got green beans, corn, and carrots. Regular mix there.
Yeah.
And then here's your little dessert.
That's what I call
Get it mixed. That's pretty good.
Tastes like pie. Tastes like apple pie.
Let me just, just get a little bit of everything and see how that did.
A little bit of everything. I just need more of it. Yeah.
That's good. Well, this one, I'm going to say, we don't know how this is going to finish, but it's yummy. Whatever this one is yummy. So we're just going to put it on yummy there for now. That's yummy. All right. Number 2. Okay. Now I'm looking at it. What do you think about the look of this? Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks weird. Like, it looks like a whole bunch. Like, we'll zoom in. Here. Zoom. Look at that. I mean, this looks like a pile of throw up, if I'm going to be honest.
And
I'm just being honest.
Apple looks like applesauce.
It does look a little bit like applesauce.
Yeah.
Let's dig in here. So it's really what it is. It's like stuffing, gravy, and the turkey all kind of mixed together. I think I see some celery bits in there too.
I like the mashed potatoes.
You like the mashed potatoes?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of the turkey?
Turkey was pretty good.
Yeah.
It was okay.
Yeah, it wasn't as good as that first one.
Yeah.
It was I'd say these mashed potatoes though. Now you can see it does have like seasoning in the mashed potatoes. Yeah, was this like a crouton?
Yeah. Oh, no.
This is no good. This isn't good.
No, but
These mashed potatoes are good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get another little bit. Let's get some.
Taste.
No. Like I said, this was pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, the second bite of this mashed potatoes wasn't as good as the first bite.
That burned my stomach.
Burned your stomach.
Yeah.
That's bad. So you know what? If this is a sliding scale, all right, we'll say it's meh for now.
For now.
For now.
Unless we taste something worse.
Exactly. All right.
This one feels like the hungry.
We don't know. We don't know.
It looks
We don't know. Here's our third choice. I don't know if you can take a good look at that. But on this side, we got like cubed pieces of turkey
Ooh,
in gravy.
I like cubes.
And then this is like what I'd call potato stuffing.
Mm.
It's like mashed potatoes and the crouton bits kind of mixed all in there, a little bit of celery. And then over here we got a vegetable medley. The medley is really just green beans and carrots. So it's not as much as that one. But let's see. Did you already get a piece?
Yeah.
Of the turkey?
Yeah. Ooh.
Excuse me.
A little bit of stuffing.
A little bit. Something going on in this turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Not really sure.
I need another bite.
Another bite. Remember, the rest of this has to go to your mom and sister later.
Yeah.
So make sure they think that at least half of this is in here. Oh, look at, okay. So this is like straight up dried on the bottom of this. So. There's like too much seasoning on this.
Yeah.
There's like, it's over seasoned.
I'm on board.
And it's not seasoned well.
I'm on board with the chicken.
Turkey.
That-
Turkey.
That's good.
These green beans aren't that great either.
No.
You know, you got to go for a little mashed potatoes under this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, there's mashed potatoes under there?
Yeah. I mean, it's not good.
No.
Now, how would you compare it to the last one that we had?
The last one.
Now, I mean, if we're talking...
This one was better.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think you're right.
So...
This is going to be down here. Let's put it at nasty.
Nasty.
That's nasty for now. All right, on number 4. You got it? Why don't you hold it? You want me to hold it?
Yeah, I'm not feeling too,
Safe.
Yeah, safe.
So, a little different look than all of them. We got peas, just straight up peas. Just peas. Nothing special about that. Turkey in the gravy with some croutons.
I already want that.
You want that?
Yeah.
Go ahead, why don't you take... Here, let's cut that in half. That's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
That's
But
a
I can
big-
eat that. I still eat that.
Well, later's always later.
This looks like
always
that
later.
one, just without the...
All right, go ahead. I like the smell of it. Go ahead, take a whiff of that.
Ooh,
Not bad. Not a
just
bad
tasty
smell.
green beans.
Turkey's pretty good.
Yeah.
Try some of these croutons and gravy underneath. That is what it is. Kind of not a bad taste of the gravy. Mashed potatoes. It tastes like just straight up cafeteria mashed potatoes. They didn't spend much time on the mashies. Young lady, you're going to have to be quiet. Audience, you're too loud. You're right next to the microphone. It's going to just pick you up humming. And it won't hear us in our opinions. Let's go ahead and I love peas. Oh no.
That's what I was trying to do.
Peas are good.
I was trying to do that.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm trying.
The turkey wasn't that bad.
But I haven't tried my mashed potatoes.
What do you think of the mashed potatoes?
I love them.
You love the mashed potatoes. So where would you put this? Look at these peas. I like peas.
It's nice.
You think it's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Now, would you say it's better than the first one?
No. I like this because that gave it.
Okay. So we're going to say that's okay. It's
apple
okay.
pie taste. But it's good. It's good.
It wasn't bad. It was
Yeah,
a lot
it
better
wasn't
than
bad.
this last one. That's for sure. All right. Down to the last one here. You can see it's in a different container.
Yeah, this
All the
one,
other ones were black, and this one's clear.
and it was shaped rinder.
Rind. Yep, it's shaped rinder.
Rinder. I don't know what that means.
Now, a little there. Okay, so I'm taking a look at these. It's like cut up turkey.
Ooh.
Which these ones, honestly, the ones that we haven't liked have been the cut up turkey kinds. It's got gravy. It's got some.
No, I like that.
I'm not sure what that is. I guess it's stuffing. And cranberries in it. And also it has sweet potatoes,
Dad,
which is
I have
big.
an idea.
A big Nickelodeon family Thanksgiving right here.
Yeah.
When you get the sweet potatoes. Not bad.
Good.
It's not bad.
Yeah, good.
Now, I haven't tried the turkey yet. Let's get a look at that. That is like gelatinous.
Oh, look.
Big old, yeah, right?
No, look, there's a cranberry.
Mm-hmm. Well,
It's good. It is a cranberry.
it's different.
This
It has like a uniquely different taste. Than
I
the
have
other
breading
four.
on it,
Yeah, right?
but the other ones didn't.
No. A lot of celery.
But I'm pretty sure that thing was stuffing.
Now, how would you compare it to the last one? Oh, now look, hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh no!
The barrier didn't work. Got a rogue piece of turkey in our sweet potatoes.
That's okay.
A certain duo that did this exact same thing.
They gave me a surprise.
I think they might have said the exact same thing. We need to build this barrier a little higher.
Dad.
Separate the two.
Okay, I have an idea.
This needs to be moved down. This isn't bad. Do you think it?
Meh.
Yeah. I like
It's
the.
worn out.
Watch out. I like that it's a change. It's a change of pace. It's like if you're a baseball player, you're hitting with a fastball, and then you throw the curve at them. This is like that. I mean, it's not bad.
I'm not ready for it.
Now, how do you feel about this 1 to 5? Now, don't eat all of it. This, our number one choice,
Favorite.
you got to go back, double check, make sure.
But it's always my favorite.
Yeah.
But after a lot,
Now,
it tastes different.
if it was me, and I was cooking up here, I would take the mashed potatoes from this, because those are good.
And then this mashed potato.
Oh, the sweet, yeah, you're right. Take
So
the sweet
maybe-
potatoes from this, and the turkey from this. This is good. This cranberry sauce, it's really the only one that even gives you a dessert.
Yeah.
I'm not counting cranberries as a dessert.
There's not many cranberries. I think it was just like made with a little bit of like.
But I'm a pea man.
You're a pea man.
I'm a pea man.
You're a pea man.
You can't get enough peas.
You
Okay?
need
So-
2 peas. Double
so-
pea.
All right, our chef, Colby, Mama,
You hit
she's going to tell us which one is which. Okay? If you want to hand us the box.
I know
This one.
which. I
Said it was
think.
nasty.
I just know this one is
Nasty. Okay. So the worst.
Mary Cuisine.
Mary Calendar. Marie? Marie? Marie?
I don't know. I couldn't read
Mary?
it backwards. I tried reading it backwards.
Marie Calendar.
Yeah, that's free.
Just not doing it. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Number 4. So Marie Calendar was nasty.
Nasty.
Ooh, you nasty girl.
You nasty. Marie's nasty.
All right, and number 4.
Calendar's nasty.
Stauffer's classic roast turkey breast. Yeah.
But I kind of. It just looked better.
It wasn't bad.
It looked better on that.
But it does. Number
Like-
3, which we thought wasn't bad. It was meh. Oh, lean cuisine.
We like that stuff.
It's healthy for you.
See, because it has like little weird plus. It has a little plus on it. That means it's good.
Yeah, you
It's
know.
good. Good.
Coming in second place,
The movie.
Banquet. Wow. Who would have thought? I think this is the cheapest one, too, out of all of them.
Was
The
it?
turkey meal. Banquet. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. You know, if I had this, I wouldn't hate it. And number 1,
Hungry Man.
holy smokes. More like a hungry boy over here.
Yeah. I love that stuff.
Hungry Man is our champion.
Hungry Man.
This was not.
We will be buying more from you.
That's right. We're gonna try some more.
Yeah, we're gonna eat more of you. We're gonna eat all of this guy.
Aeneas,
Yeah.
let them know to comment, like, and subscribe.
Say something for us.
I don't know.
Go ahead.
Where am I? Time to cut you. You should comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah. With that being said, that's the end of the episode. Thanks for watching. Like Aeneas said, like, comment, subscribe. You're going to be probably the one person that watches this.
I have some
You're
shout-outs.
welcome.
I have some shout-outs.
Oh,
to some people.
hold on. Shout outs.
If you're in Miss Carper's class, shout out to you. Or if you're on the Effort to Tidal Waves, shout out to you. Or you were on my soccer team, shout out to you too.
Amen.
Yes, amen. Amen.